Hi folks, Angela from Vernon Volkswagen here, showing you a 2017 super clean Chevy Silverado 1500 crew cab. This guy has the standard 6.5 foot box. It's got the nice box liner in there, locking tailgate, nice all-terrain tires. It's got a great leather interior, a two-tone package. Lots of room back here, rear slider. It's got powered memory seats. This is the 6.2 liter V8, 8-speed automatic. Trailer brake, 101, 346 for kilometers. Nice big backup camera, heated seats, lots of power options. For more information on this truck and more of our inventory, please email me at angela@vernonvw.com or call or text me at 250-308-0633. Thank you.